Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IOST token. On 11th of July, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that the price line of IOST has formed a very big bullish harmonic cipher move on the weekly time frame. And I also shared this move with you as well, that the price action has formed a very big harmonic cipher move, and it has also just broken out a very big resistance of the falling wedge at the same time. Therefore, it can be a huge move. A month ago, I shared this idea with you, and let me show you this chart, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you how the price line is behaving right now. Okay, this was the chart that I shared, and this was the perfect cipher formation, and the price line was at the very end of the buying zone. Therefore, I told my members and you as well that IOST has formed a big cipher, and it can be a low risk and high reward trading idea because we were at the end of this buying zone. We were also having very nice support of the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame these simple moving averages, especially 50 and 100, can work as a very strong support. And we can see that the price action here tested the 100 simple moving average, and at the same time the price line was also forming a double bottom at the 50 simple moving average. You can see here the price action used tested this 50 simple moving average after entering in this buying zone, reversed back, moved down, and tested the 50 and 100, both simple moving averages, on this weekly time frame at the same time, and it was accumulating at this level at the very end of this buying zone for the next big move. And you can see at that time the price was 2 cents, and after playing the chart we can see that the price line has rallied up to 4.8 cents so far. That is more than 140% move, and it is very close to hit these sell targets, which I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish cipher move. And the sell targets start from 4.87 cents and goes to 7.65 cents. However, I'm expecting that after such a big bullish reversal and big harmonic move, the price line can achieve, and it can set the higher price level than the previous high. Now if we move to the live daily time frame, this is very important. We can see that recently the price action has broken out this 200 simple moving average. This yellow one is the 200 daily simple moving average, and when I shared my previous video, at that time we were moving between this 1.5 cents to 2.5 cents support and resistance level, and you can see that the price line has formed a double bottom at 1.5 and rallied towards the upside. After breaking out the next resistance of 2.5 cents, we had some accumulation here. The price line also tested the previous resistance as a support and broke out the next resistance, and now you can see it is testing the previous resistance as a support, that is 4.2 cents. This is very important. You can see that this resistance has been breaking as a resistance here, as a support here, as a support here, and as a support here as well. And here for a while it worked as a resistance, and now it is breaking as a support right now. Previously we had at the first attempt, when the price action tried to break out here at this resistance, we had a small rejection here. The price action moved a little bit down and again broke out this next resistance of 4.2 cents. Therefore, this is very important movement for IOST coin, because at the same time it is testing this 4.2 cents. Very strong resistance has turned into the support now that can work as a very strong support right now. And we also have this 200 simple moving average support just below this 4.2 cents support level. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to break down the support, because if it will break down this 4.2 cent support, then it can have another bounce by this 200 simple moving average. Because you can see here, if I just zoom this chart out, then you can see here when we had first rejection here by this 4.2 cents support a resistance level. Then the price action used this 200 simple moving average as a support, and for 2 candlesticks it was accumulated here and broke out the next resistance of 4.2 cents. And same as like that, if we will have a breakdown, the price line will break down this 4.2 cents support, then it can also it can again have another bounce by this 200 simple moving average and break out the next resistance of 4.2 cents. And now I want to show you a very important move on the daily time frame. If we place some trend lines on the price line here and connect the candlesticks, like I'm just going to place this trend line here from this candlestick to this candlestick. I'm also connecting these candlesticks as well, and we can see that we had a resistance. This is the resistance, and if I place the support, just copying this trend line and placing it here, then the price line also formed an up channel. Like previously we have seen that price action here formed a falling wedge pattern, and this was the resistance of the falling wedge, which the price action broke out here. This was the resistance, and after breaking out this falling wedge, now the price action has formed another rising channel or up channel, and it has already retested. After breaking out this resistance of the channel, it has already retested this previous resistance of the channel as a support and confirmed it this breakout and moved up, broke out the next price level resistance of 4.2 cents. Therefore, right now this is really very important movement for IOST coin, because it is testing the 4.2 cent support level, also going to test this previous resistance of the channel. It may retest this previous resistance of the channel somewhere at 4 cents, and we also have very nice support of 200 simple moving average, and we may have another big move from here after a successful retest. Therefore, we need to watch this move of the price line. In next few hours we can have a big move by IOST token, maybe within few hours or maybe within few days in case of this successful retest. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I have shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.